How are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you the most requested video on my channel, Hotel Style Plain Dosa. You can easily make it at your home. I'm sure it will turn out great and as perfect as the restaurant style. So now don't forget to check out other breakfast recipes available on my channel. Now let's go and make and enjoy this yummy dosa before it runs out of steam. So now let's go and see yummy recipe. So let's see how to make the batter for hotel style plain dosa. We are taking 2 cups of plain rice. You can take normally water rice you use like Sona Masuri. You can take that 2 cups. And to this we are going to add half cup of urad dal. And to this we are going to add 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Just if you want to make more batter, just double everything and you should be good to go. And few methi seeds. And one more main ingredient in this is poha. I'm taking thick poha. If you have thin poha, that should work too. But I have thick poha, so I'm taking the thick poha. Half cup is what you need, but we are not going to pour water in this. Just before grinding, like 10 minutes before, if you put water in it, it should be good. We are going to soak this rice and dal mixture for around 6 to 8 hours, and we'll grind it up with poha and ferment it for 8 hours, and tomorrow's breakfast is going to be ready. So let me soak it for 6 to 8 hours and then I'll show you when I'm grinding. I washed the rice and dal 2 or 3 times and I'm going to soak it for 6 to 8 hours, and we'll soak the poha just before grinding and it will be ready. So I'll see you in 6 hours. So this has been sitting for 8 hours now. So we are going to grind it with the water we need. We are going to add as per we need. We are not going to add too much water or too less of water. Just add how much you need to grind. And I soaked the poha, so it's ready to go. 5 minutes should be good enough. So let me grind and I will show you. I grinded all the batter and this much is left, and now it's time to add the poha. Squeeze all the water and add it like this. Just squeeze all the water and add it like this, and you add entire poha and grind it with the remaining dal and rice, and it's ready to go. Let me make this, I'll show you. Now that our batter is ready, just mix everything once. You're not adding salt or sugar, nothing now. We are going to add it tomorrow morning when we are ready to make the dosas. So ferment it overnight in the oven. If you are in the US, just on the light and keep it in the oven, and or outside if you are in India, and it will be ready for tomorrow's breakfast. So I'll show you how to make dosas tomorrow morning. Batter has been sitting overnight, so it has been fermented as you can see. So now we are going to divide the batter into 2 so that we can use it for 2 days, and then mix and add salt and sugar and make our perfect dosa. So let's first you need to mix it once so that all the fermentation is nicely mixed in, and now we'll divide it into half. So there you have it. We have breakfast for 2 days now. So let's make our dosas. So now we are going to add pinch of sugar. What sugar does is it will give nice color to your dosa. So we are adding just a pinch. You don't want to make the batter sweet. And we are going to add salt to taste. You don't need much salt because you are going to serve it with the chutney. So don't add too much salt. And mix everything and add water so that the batter is not too thick or not too thin. Too thin batter, it won't let you control its how thick you want to spread. So be very, very careful. And too thick of a batter also will give you a problem. Water quantity should be correct. Then only you will get perfect dosa. See, this is the consistency we are looking for. Now we are ready to make our dosas. And add little bit more water and it should be good. Yeah. Look at this consistency. Pourable consistency is what we need. We are ready to make our dosas. So let's heat up the griddle. I'm using Presto griddle here. I have kept the video on how to use this griddle. So let's heat it up. And if you are using the pan, don't let it get too hot or make it too low. It should be medium for a perfect dosa. So let it heat up and I'll show you how to make dosa. It's hot enough. You can see how hot it is. Just wipe the griddle with water and pour little bit of oil. You don't need too much oil. And spread it around with a spatula. And now we are going to, it's an electric stove. So if you are using on a pan, on a griddle, on a stove, just lower it all the way. And I off this griddle. And now we are going to put our dosa. This is how you do it. You don't have to hurry up for anything. Pour 2 ladles of dosa batter and slowly spread it. It will easily spread and you get perfect dosa. See how easy it is to spread, and there you have it, perfect dosa. We are going to put 1 teaspoon of oil on this and let it cook nicely until you see nice coloring on the lower side. Look at that beautiful color. It's ready to be turned. At this stage you can just fold it and serve it like this, but I like to turn it once and cook it on the other side for a minute and then serve it. Look at that perfect crispy. It will be so spongy. It will be all the things that you want in a dosa. Do try this and let me know how it worked for you. This is my beautiful dosa. This is a foolproof recipe. Do try it and let me know how it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with new video next time. Thank you so much and please subscribe if you like my videos. Bye.